yeah, I remember you. You guys are my viewers, right? Yeah, but why am I here? Well, first, you guys all know this guy, Adobe Flash Player. He is, well, it is maybe one of my favorite systems, and I really liked it. Uh, and I'm showing you why Adobe is going dead. Okay, I'm right here at a www board. Link in the description and in the iCard. Now, I'm going to show you why Adobe is dead. So, first of all, I'm going to use this A to represent Adobe. And so, this is Google with a G. Sorry guys, I'm terrible at writing on a whiteboard. So, then Google thinks Adobe is too dangerous. And so that's why many many search engines have this kit. Yeah, Adobe on their pages. On their pages, and so that's why Adobe is dead. And like you see, like 6 hours or something. Yeah, and very sad. Also sad, 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 and a bunch of others sads. Okay, please get away, dude. And with a click of my magic, I'm done. Erasing all of them. Or have I? Oh, you, right here. Okay. Okay, well, you're done. Well, guys, tell me in the link of the description how much you missed. Like, how much you missed. Like, much. I mean, you could go on for 6 hours until Adobe is already dead. Well, yeah. Have a great time. And a bad time mourning that Adobe is dead. Let's build a community and let's tell Google that no Adobe. But wait, what will we have after Adobe Flash? Well, the answer is you will have engines such as HTML, HTML, We also have a 5 at the end. HTML5. Well, maybe you're not maybe you were 100% sad. Now you're maybe like 90% or 80% sad. Yeah, I just guessed. Well, this is my video of RIP Adobe Flash, and I hope you have a great time by that time waiting for Adobe. And oh well, I think I hear someone. Uh-oh. HTML5 is by. 5 is by. Bye.